Folks, I'm your friend Rohit Kakkad. I have close to 10 years of corporate experience and currently I work as a data scientist in a global bank. Based on my experience of working as business analyst, data scientist over so many years, I want to share this experience with you through my YouTube channel where I create videos around AI, Python and business analytics skills. These videos are helpful for those students, professionals who have just started their career, or even experienced professionals who want to do very well in business analytics or data science domain. So if you enjoy my videos, please do subscribe to this channel, do give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends or family who are looking to grow on these skill sets. Today's session is about data quality checks using AI and data set we will load from Kaggle. Okay, so we will use, uh, let me come to the Google Colab website where I load the data from Kaggle. And here we will be using both Gemini along with ChatGPT to get the relevant codes. And you will see how quickly you can do data quality check analysis on the data set that we are working on. Okay, so we are working on data set from Kaggle, which is called Superstore dataset that is stored on this path, Rohit Sahu sales forecasting path. This Superstore dataset is present, which I am loading in Kaggle through, which I am loading in Google Colab through Kaggle API. Okay, so there are 9,000 rows and 18 columns in this data set. And I'm looking at the head of this data set using Python Pandas function, which gives me the top 5 rows of this data. And it has, since it has 18 columns, we can see all the columns above. Okay. So this session is about data quality checks. In terms of data quality, I want to check on multiple things. I want to check on the null values which are there in this data set. I want to check the duplicate values. I want to check on the data types. Why I am doing this? Why data quality checks is important? See, when you work on any data problem, any analysis, either a dashboard or a model or a report or whatever, if you start directly working on the model or analysis without checking whether your data is complete, is it consistent, is it correct or not, and you directly move on to the problem statement, you get the results, but you don't know if the results are right or not. So wrong data leads to wrong decision making. And as a result, no matter how good the dashboard is, how good the model is, unless the data is properly validated, the data quality is checked, we cannot proceed further. So that's a very important aspect of any data analysis, and a lot of time goes in that. I would say a lot of time used to go in that, but with AI things are becoming easy. Okay, things are becoming better. As we know, this is the data set on retail store. Okay, now retail store or an e-commerce store. So we have columns like row ID, which we can say transaction ID, or we have an order ID also. That is a order ID is like a transaction ID. Then we have the date, order date, ship date, shipment mode, customer ID, postal, code, state, city, country, and so on. Okay, so not going deep into each and every column. So let's directly move on to the coding part. Okay, so data quality checks. First thing is I want to check the null values. So here I'm not taking help of AI because I know the code to do this. So what I'll do df.isNull.sum. Okay, what this will give me, if the value in a particular column, there are 18 columns, if the value in a particular column is null, then it will sum up. It will take one row as one count, and it will sum up the number and give me the output. So I can see that out of 18 columns, almost 17 have no null values, while one column postal code has 11 null values, which is again a very interesting insight for me. Okay, so no need to do any null analysis further because there are no nulls as such in this data set. Okay, very simple way to do this. Now here I didn't took the help of AI because I knew the code, I ran it very simply. But if I don't know the code, I should take help of AI. I should give it the sample data or the full data itself and ask it to do data quality checks, for which I'm showing you how I'm doing this using ChatGPT. Okay, so I asked what data checks should I do, and it gave me the code very easily, very quickly for this. And let me pick few codes from here and run it on Google Colab, because I find Google Colab better. I haven't tried running on ChatGPT itself, but I'm using Gemini in Google Colab and ChatGPT for getting the codes. So please, if you have liked the video so far, if you are getting to know and are getting more aware that what data checks you need to do before the analysis, please do like this video, do share a comment, ask questions in the comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. Okay, second thing I'm very much interested in, check duplicate values. Okay, for this I am not very much familiar with the code, but I can quickly, I have asked ChatGPT to give me the code, and let me run this code very quickly in Gemini. Okay, chat, check duplicate values. So duplicates is equal to df dot duplicated. So there are no duplicate rows. Data is already very clean. Let me check the data types. Okay, let me check the data types for which I have asked it to give this code. So this I am aware of. Df.dtypes give me the data types for all the columns very quickly. So row ID is integer, order ID, order date, ship, object, everything is object, postal code is float, sales is float, expected. But I want to convert my order date and shipment date to date time, because for any analysis on date column, it shouldn't be a string column. Let's see what we can do here. So convert it into uh, date time. Okay, there's no profit column. So it has converted it into date time. Let's check this again, or let me run it here only. Yeah, it is now date time. Errors is equal to course. Okay, let's check the outliers. Okay, so let's do the describe on all the, um, let me add a section, check outliers or statistics. Let's run the code. So df dot describe. If I just do df dot describe, what it will do, it will give me the, for numeric columns. For numeric columns, it will give me the total count, mean, minimum, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile. I'm more interested in sales. So sales is populated everywhere. Average sales is $230. Minimum is 0.4. 25th percentile $17. 50th percentile is 54, which the median sales. 75th percentile is $210. Maximum is 22,638. Standard deviation 626. For others, it has given me results on describe, but I don't need it. There's only one numeric column or two numeric columns, row ID and sales, and row ID is also fully populated. Let me see what ChatGPT um, has asked me to do. Outlier detection. Let's see. So now I'm getting curious that now sale value 25th percentile, 50th percentile I've got here, and 75th percentile. Let me see if I get the same values here also. Print. Let me print. Let me do here print Q1 and then print Q3. 70.25, 210. Okay. Yes. So this is another way of calculating the 25th percentile and 75th percentile. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is AI is helping us a lot. The way we used to do data analytics in the past, where for each and every data quality checks, we had to write code on ourselves, or search online on different portals, Stack Overflow, and so on. Now, AI is integrated in our Jupyter notebooks or Google Colab or wherever you run the code. You can ask. Uh, so, best thing is if you can give the data to AI and ask it to run the code for data quality checks, it will run automatically, but you need to validate the results. Okay, if you're not validating the results, then it's a problem. It can lead to wrong things, and your dashboard or model could have issues. So always validate the results that AI give you. But AI is there to provide you all the codes, all the approach that you need to take during the course of your analysis for building models, coming up with business logic, or coming up with reports and dashboards. Okay, so do data quality checks for all the analysis going forward. Check on null values, check on duplicate rows, check the data types. What else? Check the outliers, consistency. Okay, let's do this. Region. Do we have region? Yes, we have the region. Let me see. Let's see what it gives. Okay, so we have region Southwest, Central East, furniture, office supplies, technology. Okay, what else? Standardized text, business rule validation. Okay, not going into these checks. Yeah. Okay, so if you have liked this video so far, if you are interested to become great data scientist, please subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment so that I can help you better, and hope to see you in the next video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn with my name Rohit Kakkar. Search there and you will find me very easily. Thank you. All the very best.